this Packard four-door sedan. It's a 1928, and it was brought to the shop just to get finished up. The engine had been rebuilt 10, 15 years ago, and the owner could only take it so far. The doors were heavy to install. He put in new wood, had it all painted, but really couldn't take it any further. So he contacted the shop, and we agreed to take it on to finish it up, and it's coming along quite nicely. It's running well enough to go around the parking lot. It's stopping and steering okay, and he's really happy with the progress. We've also installed and fit the doors. It took a lot of wood carving to get them to fit well, but they're much better. And so one of the next steps is to go ahead and get the rear fenders on, the splash aprons, running boards, front fenders, and headlights, and finish the wiring, and that will be pretty much it. That's the scope of work for this project. The owner will take the car back to the Seattle area and get it upholstered. It's been a nice history project because this car is nearly 100 years old.
Well, that part's good. Go ahead and wrap the engine up a little
bit. How do you feel about it?
Pretty good, definitely. First gear's long, so it goes from slow to fast, or what feels like fast. Brakes feel good. Yeah, it's running sweet. Definitely have to manage the spark a little bit to keep it from running lean or edge. Still need to get the throttle working a little bit more smoothly. Might have to emery paper some of the linkage so it moves a little smoother. I greased it, but there's just a little bit of hesitation on the gas pedal, when you're let off.
Packard is known for high quality in design and engineering. In 1901, they traversed the United States of America, even before America was complete as far as states go, all the way from San Francisco to New York. And that kind of cemented their reputation for engineering and their capabilities to build a very high-end car.